Hey guys, welcome back. We have finally received the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of May. So you know what's in here. It is Fenty products. Fenty took over Boxycharm this month, which I'm excited. It's the whole reason I actually signed up for the Premium Box because I have the standard base box and Luxie. But this month I made sure I got this baby just for the Fenty products. Now, if you guys want to see what I have, because we all kind of receive the same thing, but maybe you want to know what shade I have, then keep on watching. Here goes. So we're going to go ahead and open this up right here. This is exciting because we have Fenty and we have the card. And then on the card, if you want to know what box I have, oh, duh. We all got the same box. There's no variation this month. Okay, guys. So the first thing I'm bringing out, I'm in the middle of taking off my nails. So they're kind of on and off. Just ignore all that. Pay attention to the makeup. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy Wife. So we're going to actually see what this looks like in person. This is beautiful. Maybe this deserves some sound effects as well. Dang! Look, you're not kidding. No games with that. Look at that. Hey, that was pretty good. I don't have anything pretty much left. It all came on. That's hot right there. Just so you know, that retails for $36. And I'm so excited. I didn't even do my whole intro. Boxycharm Premium is a $35 monthly subscription. But if you want more information on Boxycharm and how to subscribe, make sure you check out the link I have for you in my description below. While you're at it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you can be notified whenever I do have unboxings or videos or spoilers, because I have a lot going on right now. So you don't want to miss out. Now let's continue opening this box. Okay, the next thing here is the Invisimatte blotting paper, which I don't really use because I don't really have oily skin, but it's good to have. It's good to have. And it's right here. You have the little tube and you have the refill. So that's kind of what it looks like right there. Of course, you want to know the price of that as well. So that will be $16. Next is the lipstick. There was a few shades I was kind of hoping I didn't receive, and it looks like I have a really nice one. This is Crayon Venom or Candy Venom. Oh my gosh, this packaging. I mean, I've seen this packaging and it's beautiful, but in person, it's just, I actually have it. So there it is. To tell you the truth, I would have thought it's a little lighter than I would have expected. For some reason, the looks of it, I would have felt the packaging would have been a little heavier. But it is very light. But it's still pretty, and I don't really care. It's about what's inside. Ooh, I kind of just... I don't have my glasses on, so I went over the... I don't have my glasses on because they're up here. I went over the highlight. But hey, it's still a pretty color. Go ahead and just do that again without the sparkle. So that's what it looks like. It's really pretty, even with the highlighter on it. It's very pretty. Now that retails for $25. Next we have the Gloss Bomb. This is the Universal Lip Luminizer. Ooh, this is pretty. This is really pretty packaging. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on my lips, though they are chapped. It is sticky. I mean, I've had worst. It's a lip gloss, so I didn't expect it to be not, but there's a scent in it that I can't place. Is it a vanilla or jasmine? It's a good. Makes you want to lick your lips, but when you do, it tastes like makeup. And that retails for $19. And then we have the matchstick. Oh, these are the ones I was interested in. This is in Unicorn. Looks like a purple. Oh, these are the magnet ones. If you have other ones like this, it's a magnet, so it sticks, which is really cool. And I really wish I had another one just so I can do it. Oh my gosh, I like the sound. I really like the sound. Wait, does this go up? Okay, so it does go up, and I don't want to break it, but that's a good amount. At least you can see how that looks. Okay, so the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. Moisturizing makeup stick is a long wear, light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wearing cream to powder. Oh yeah. Oh, that is actually blending out really nicely. I don't know if you can see it. That blended out really nicely. That would be a really nice highlighter. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, which it was, and lives to be layered. And that retails for $25. Okay, now we're getting into itty gritty here because this is what I was really wanting. Now we got ourselves a palette. So a pre-look of what the shades look like. You could color coordinate your eyeshadow going this way or this way. So that's a pretty good concept because a lot of times you don't know what you're a beginner and you don't know what colors to mix together. You can just kind of follow the grid. Here it is. Ooh, this is very pretty. Okay, it's a little dusty, but it's okay because it's been sitting out waiting for me. So you got your mirror and then your shades. Those are very pretty right there. I just want to touch some of these to show you. So many to choose from. Ooh, those blues are really pretty. That deep green. Okay, I'm gonna go into this just so we could get an idea. This is a really pretty combo here. So I'm just gonna touch all of them. Just, those are really pretty. That was terrible swatching, so. Okay guys, so that was my box. I'm really excited with everything I got. There wasn't one thing that I don't think I'm gonna like. But then again, wait, I still gotta try the makeup on and I'm gonna go ahead and do that in another video. So make sure you look out for that one. But in this video, I kind of just wanted to feel the products and play with it and open it up and do all that jazz. Okay, but that's all I have for you guys today. So let me know your thoughts. Did you like your Fenty products? Did you find colors that you weren't gonna work? I'm really curious to see what you guys thought. Let me know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and have a Fenty discussion down there. And remember to keep it positive. All right, guys, that's it. As always, I love you and I'll see you in the comments below. Have a blessed day.